Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to use our hydrating curling jelly. First, like everything else, you want to section your hair. I went ahead and already applied the piña and cocoa just so that this video is only focusing on the hydrating curling jelly. So I use about this much jelly per section. After applying our piña and cocoa, you're going to go ahead and rub the jelly in your hands and then apply it to your hair. I do not use a styling brush. I only apply product with my hands. As you can see, the jelly leaves your hair super defined, no flakes, no crunch, and it looks hydrated at the same time. And this is what your hair looks like after applying the curling jelly.